Build up. Build up.
There it goes.
Here it goes. It goes. Oh.
Goes straight to the quad gantry.
Grab that.
Come down, go to the left front corner. Yep. Probe each corner 3 times. Go back. I might have to probe that one 3 or 4. That's what fines tune the gantry.
Okay, we got some printed pieces here. You can pop them off. Whoa! There's big shots on there. Huh? What? My 300 blackout, drop-in trigger, special charger, rear charger. It's got a beautiful nickel boron bolt in there, you know, and our own 3D printed, personalized, big shots pistol grip. Look at that. Okay. Yes. And because of that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do this in gold to match. Just a second. In gold to match the charger. Boom. Mine. Look at that. Sweet. Just put my name on there with acrylic marker. That will stay there. That'll dry and that will not wear off. That will stay there. There are other spots also. I think I could sign. I could sign on, you know, the hand guard up here. Could sign down here on the lower. Also could sign over here on the buttstock. Could sign up here on the scope and stuff. So yeah, we can customize our stuff now. And we can sign and we can make it our own.